Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yep. Okay. Sure, sure. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Okay, sure. All right. Well, I'll talk. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. I'll, I'll talk. Okay. Bye. Yep. Yep. I'll talk to you later. Oh, okay. All right. Bye. Bye. I'm sorry. Wait, hang on. I got another call. Oh my god. Oh my god. You've had phone calls like that before, have you? I know you have. You've probably been in social situations where you were trying to get away from somebody and they would not shut up. They wouldn't leave you alone. They can't take a hint at all. You walk away. And you're trying to be polite and you're trying to continue to try to have a conversation while not trying to be so incredibly rude so as to let them know that you don't really want to talk to them anymore. But inevitably they don't get the hint and then you kind of have to be rude. Wouldn't it be nice if like a friend would call you at a time where you knew you were going to be interfacing with someone that was going to do that to you, or potentially, you were on a date, first date that you knew could possibly go wrong. So you wanted to have your friend call you at a certain time and say, "What? The dog's on fire?" It could happen. I'm just saying. You make up your own excuse. But the thing is that you need them to call right then and there. You need it to look real. Well, there's an app for the iPhone. I'm not going to get into it right now. 99 cents, fake calls. Go ahead and you can look for that in the iTunes App Store. Fake calls. And it will look exactly like a phone call is coming in for you. And you can fake the caller ID and everything. It is like perfect. And so if you've ever wanted that on your iPhone, you're looking for fake calls. 99 cents, and iJustine recommended it to me. She was like playing around with it, and she was like, "Oh my god, I got a call from Steve Jobs. Oh, hello, Steve." And I'm like, "Oh, wow, how'd you do that?" Fake calls. But let's say you don't have an iPhone or you don't want to buy the app, but you still want to set up a time to be called because you don't know if you're going to be in a situation that's going to be incredibly awkward. You can choose to take that call or not. Get me out of here. That's the name of the service, but if you go to getmooh out of here, GETMOOH.com, getmooh.com, you can set up a number to call, the time to call, and a recording to play. So instead of just being an empty, call or whatever, you've actually got a recording that can play out. Including Burt Reynolds, car alarm, computer, fire engine, important engagement, labor, look behind you, mafia, mammy, pizza, police, scary movie, the end of the world, the phone, trouble with a builder, wrong number, your tea. But you called me, a laughing man, CIA, Roger's Bistro, psychic, phone bill. I mean, it's kind of, the list is quite long. And then, of course, you press play. And they've got little notes here. Looking to escape from a date? Get out of any sticky social situation? Send a special happy birthday to a friend? Use Get Mooh. Get me out of here. There's really no easy way of doing this. And if anybody's got any tips on how to deal with socially inept people, please let me know. I do my best trying to be polite, but it's obvious they're not getting a clue. They don't have a hint as to anything. I mean, you've done it. I know. And if this is you on the other end, if you won't let the other person go, dude, when they start saying sure, sure, and okay, 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 yeah, they're done. They're so done. Doesn't matter what you're saying at that point. You may think it's important. They're not listening to you anymore. So if that's you, knock it off. Now, if you are more like me and going, dude, then I think you could understand my plight. Fake calls for the iPhone, or get me out of here, or get mooh.com may be exactly what the operator ordered for you. My email address, in case you have those tips to pass along, is chris@pirillo.com. Hopefully you don't think me too socially inept, but I may very well be. I'm a geek, you know, just like the rest of the geeks at geeks.pirillo.com. Have them pulling off all sorts of fun and, I don't know, really fun. I don't know what it is about you guys. Every time I go to geeks.pirillo.com, someone's done something wacky. A prank, whether it's a prank call. Sometimes I get caught in on prank calls. Can't stand them. Well, I don't mind when people call me, and then, of course, you know, I have fun with the telemarketers and whatnot. But anyway, you're more than welcome to stop by geeks.pirillo.com and become an active member of that community, or the community here that is the chat room that's sewn into this live video experience that's being broadcast out over the internet 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You never really know what's going to happen here. I mean, it is live video. It is the internet, so we're open all the time, typically talking tech here at live.pirillo.com. We'll see you later.